Yeah, Joe's fault.
I'm confused.
Yay!
Oh my god! That was
my
so
God.
brutal.
Why am I upside
Is
down?
that me? It's me. It's me.
Oh, hey, yo.
Who did I spawn with? Who's the woman?
It's me, it's me, it's me.
Anna's
Where did we
just
go?
smiling.
Oh no.
Wait for me, don't leave me. We should go when they're in the south, I
I
think.
just killed a chicken! Oh my god! It's dead!
Why?
Oh, I get it. If you do it quickly, it makes loud
That's one
noise. You have to do it
safe
slowly.
No, stop! You're making too much noise.
What is that on my screen? Why is it like going like a oval around my
Wait,
screen?
I think run away. I think there's people.
If we crouch, is it quieter?
Yes.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, something like that.
Are you still in the basement?
Shit.
Yeah.
Oh, they're
I
here,
have a
they're here.
health item now.
Where?
Look, my screen's going like weird again.
Oh, I escaped the basement. Yeah, okay, I think,
There's
That was
not
where you
like
guys were.
stairs going upwards for me.
I was wondering where the fuck are you?
Ah, it's good to know those bushes work then. What's
if
that
it's
yellow
spring
box at the bottom?
Don't know.
There's a glowing yellow box.
Right,
on
oh,
it.
Joe's escaped from the basement.
Oh, have you only just escaped from the basement?
You know a lot about this game, and I know nothing.
It's just common sense, I'm gonna be honest.
Shit, Tyler, we gotta go. Hey, yo!
I see them in the house. Them yellow things.
Oh yeah, they're getting jumped, I can see them!
Run! Run!
I see you both running.
I can see them. Oh wait, shit, there's one of them. There's a killer on us,
Where?
Shit, fuck.
Tyler, did you
Stand
go
still.
down the ladder?
So,
Shit.
are you both dumb? It says
No.
keep still, and you move.
Yeah.
There should be like a well that you can
Alright,
just
Francesca, quick.
jump down.
Fuck. Stand still. I fucked it.
Oh, we need a fuse to turn that on.
I think we have to
Oh.
run. Just run.
Been detected.
You
I don't know if we escaped. Yeah, we escaped. Just keep going.
Oh yes.
Let's go.
Oh, them two have escaped, we've not.
Oh,
You
we
guys
did it.
suck at this game.
It's like
We
downstairs.
flushed the toilet. Why'd I do that?
You dickhead! You idiot!
Keep still, don't move. Joe, don't move! You
I didn't
idiot!
fucking know.
I told you like twice.
No, you didn't.
I'm like positive Joe's gonna die.
Anyway.
I think Joe's fucked.
I don't know where the door is.
Yeah, Joe's
I found
fucked.
the fuse.
Yay!
Oh my god! That was
my
so
God.
brutal. How
Where
the
do I
fuck-
go? Do I run this
Go
way?
straight
Carry
that
on,
way. We
carry
turned
on.
the power off. I'm pretty sure. Just run straight
Yeah, we have.
that
Just
way.
keep going, Tyler.
Did I
Oh,
just
he's
start
chasing
where-
me.
There's
Tyler,
two of them.
Tyler, keep going.
They're all
Tyler,
running
keep
there.
going.
Joe, you can
Trying.
escape. They're all jumping Tyler. It's all good.
I don't know where I am.
Oh fuck! It's turned on again. Oh,
It's on
Tyler,
again,
I
it's
think
on
you're
again.
dead.
You
Tyler,
gotta turn
don't
back.
run over it.
I am.
Tyler, you good man.
Oh.
Is he
Someone
in the
direct me
basement?
or something.
Yeah,
Yeah!
Joe went back to the basement.
I'm so glad I spawned with Osborne. He got me the victory.
What happened?
Joe, how did you know where you were going?
I just
can't find my way out of
realized.
here.
Oh, I probably should have
These
escaped the
places are
house,
mean.
and then I looked and
I'm
I
already
saw a
on the
way out.
toilet
I was
right
like,
now,
yeah,
right
go
Yeah, no,
there.
but how can you
Grandpa
find
is
out
at level
how?
3.
Where? Can someone direct me or something?
Go.
Oh, Joe, you're
Oh,
fucked.
fuck off, Joe. Where is it? No, like, door. You know, a door to
Right.
get out.
You just
So,
need to get higher.
Can I just? I'm sorry, but these killers are dog shit. I shouldn't
Well, I mean,
be
they
alive.
did kind of just let me and Francesca walk out, so yeah, that's fair
Yeah.
enough. Yes. Be slow, be slow.
Be quick. Oh,
Joe,
why did
run.
you tell him to be slow?
One sec. Hey, Danny. I don't care anymore.
I'm
How
doing
did
it.
Tyler get more score than me? He died.
I did better than you!
I escaped.
And?
I'm with
Sorry,
Osborne again.
Don't make too
Fingers.
much noise, don't make noise. We did that last time, it didn't work, and Tyler woke up Grandpa.
I did not wake up Grandpa.
Yes, you did, you said it yourself.
Oh,
You've got a massive ass.
You really did.
Jesus, run.
Are you in the basement?
Don't come to us.
Yeah, we're being chased by Mr. Chainsaw Man. Oh my lord.
Don't
I
come
want
to
to
us.
find you all.
No, we don't. They're being chased. Why would we want to go there?
It's a bit of fun.
Oh, they're near us, they're near us, they're near us. Quick, quick.
I'm dead. He just keeps gaining stamina.
We're in
I
West.
don't know where that is.
Oh my god! Oh my fucking god, I'm terrified! I'm gonna die.
He ran right past me.
Because he's fucking chasing me. Guys, I can't see. Guys,
Right, I need a health potion. I'm
see someone who
level
just hid
2.
there. Tell who just hid there. Who just
Me.
hid there?
Oh, for goodness sake!
Scared. I'm so
I'm
scared.
1 HP.
Oh my
I've
god,
not
the
found
killer's
any like,
right
health
there.
potions.
Oh my god, I can
Osborne, are
fucking
you
see it.
dead?
No, I'm on like 2 health and I can see the killer, he's right there.
Okay, there you are. Osborne, come back.
Oh, what the
Right.
fuck have you found each other?
Oh,
Hi.
Tyler. I'm,
Great.
as you
Where
can
are
see, I
you?
have been stabbed with a chainsaw just a couple of times. Oh, there's people,
What
Tyler.
is that?
Why didn't you open the...
I was being chased by 2 of them.
That's good, that's good.
Oh, Tyler, I just seen you.
Tyler, thanks for taking one for
Fuck.
the team, man.
Gosh.
I think I'm fucked. Yeah, he saw me. I jumped out! I bursted out! I did it! I pressed burst out. I think I'm dead. I got
That's
caught high,
lovely.
so.
If Francesca's dead by. Oh my. Yeah. Frank, are you
Fine,
spectating me?
quick. No, don't drop, I misclicked!
Hello?
I misclicked! I'm gonna cry! I misclicked, I'm gonna cry!
Oh my
I'm
god.
not- that's what I'm saying.
Get in!
Oh, okay.
Oh my god,
Listen.
Oh, I
Osborne's so
died
close
again,
to
I'm
death.
gonna cry,
Os
bro.
they opened the freezer and they killed him.
Bro, if they
Is
just
that-
walk, they just walk to the don't look. No, that's not fair. Did you just hit him? That's not very nice.
What is
Yeah, I'm
going on?
dead.
No.
I was looking at my screen and I was being chainsawed to death.
He picked you
Yeah.
up and then he stabbed you. Okay,
I'm
you're
falling
stuck in
through
a-
the floor.
You're stuck in the floor.
Oh god.
What happened? I'm with Francesco
Yeah.
again.
So what? You collect
that a bad
bones
thing?
and shit.
No,
You don't do anything with it.
it's good because you trust me. Maybe a little too much.
like guts on the ground. Why am I always spawning with
Quick.
I'm scared.
Why is he here? That's not fair.
Oh my
This is dickhead,
What do I
man.
need for this? It
I'm
requires
fucked.
a lot
Already?
I thought we're
of...
fucked.
Someone's coming. Oh, that's Joe. We found Joe.
Oh, I need to. No, guys, not fair. Where are you? Are you in field
No,
storage?
I can see you, Francesca.
I ran away.
Where?
You're
Requires
nearly,
a lot
you're
to-
nearly with him.
Where are you?
That's-
Joe, where are
that's
you?
thing.
How has he escaped?
I have no clue. I got
Right
lots of-
next to the exit, but like...
I know where the chainsaw dude is. Have you found any like
Yeah.
escape routes to escape the house?
I found Tyler.
Me and the boy. Joe, it finally happened. We are in a single file line.
Escape. Oh god. He's there.
We're stuck.
I did sort of close the door, can't lie.
Go through.
Oh.
Guys, I'm coming back.
Is that Joe? Why is Joe
Tyler, I'm
here? Where
behind
the
you.
fuck? Where did Tyler go?
Yo, what's up, bro?
Yeah, I'm coming back.
We replaced Joe for Tyler.
We've lost Tyler again.
How?
Well, it is a field.
Oh, there you are. Hi, guys.
Ah!
Oh, one of
You
them got
saw, you bitch! That's funny as hell. I escaped!
Why'd you
Run.
close the door?
Run, escape, escape.
Yeah.
The door closed on you, that's so funny.
Yeah.